Thank you everybody. Come brother Bhudachalam. Welcome to all of from both states, Andhra and Telangana. Especially chief guest in KVP రామచంద్రరావు గారికి భద్రాచలం తరఫున ప్రత్యేకమైన ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ, అదేవిధంగా మాకు వచ్చిన భద్రాచలం ఏజెన్సీ ప్రాంతానికి వచ్చిన అరుదైన బూసిరెడ్డి వెంకటరెడ్డి గారికి రోటరీ క్లబ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఇచ్చినందుకు ప్రత్యేకమైన ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ, అదేవిధంగా when I was working in Rekapalli medical officer, as a medical officer in Rekapalli, whatever I will take in that decision, I observed one thing of the eradication program, the pulse polio. On that time, nobody is supporting to the outreach areas and quadratic areas. There is no transportation on the road by road. On that time, I am a medical officer at Rekapalli PHC and Kodavaram Mandal. Now I am at Andhra Pradesh. On that time, nobody is supporting the eradication program, the pulse polio program. Then on that time, Rotary people is go to the outreach areas by large they download the large and supporting them. I am very appreciative them. Wherever that needs is there and the supporting the Rotary. Last time 2022, very much that he is there in Bhadrachalam and surrounding areas. Anyway, he was supporting all things of the people. Ration and blankets, all things will be supported to the submerging people. I thank you for the once again Rotary Club people as well as the people are supporting them. What is now is sent to Shamkiran ITC. I am appreciating the ITC people because of you should encourage to the tribal people whatever is studied because of the education dropout people are there, even though they didn't reach that higher education. They are not able to reach that higher education because of due to economic problems. Then ITC people should be supported. Now what is he promising? Somebody is, but they investing the education, that economy problem is there. So you are supporting to poor people for the education. For most of the here agency need for the education and health is very important. You should support into the for poor people. I am also encouraging to the ITC as well as Rotary Club member. Wherever is disaster, you should supporting to. I observing a number of disasters. Everywhere you are supporting that. So once again supporting it. Congrats to the Rotary Club as well as St. Bhusireddi Venkareddy. The Bhadrachalam is good opposite to the governor of the Rotary Club. I am congrats. Whatever it be, never seen in the Bhadrachalam agency in the Rotary Club government. So thank you for once again Rotary Club people. Thank you.